Hello guys, this is the quick tutorial for the we can know the the contours with the points with the polygons. So in this video we can focus on reference the images. So firstly, for example, if I show you, for example, uh, this is the different shapefile location, and this is the GPG image. So whenever you can drag on it, so it will be show you that there is the unknown coordinate system. So if I zoom to layer, so it will be give me this data. So you can use georeferencing uh, two ways, in which you can, for example, uh, add the point, and this is the different formation. For example, if you take multiple points, so you can click on it. If you take the 3 points, you can be click on it. So if you use this, it will be more clarify and more adjust to the your uh, base map. So I go to this, but I not use like this kind of date. Only you can click it, and you can right click on it, so it will be give the data. You can give the data and okay it. So if I close it and go to the again georeferencing, uh, from this point you can use this point and use the this point and this point and give the latitude longitude. It will be directly placed with the your hill shade or your base map area. But I use to the new georeferences when there is no latitude longitude data. So for example, if I control like point, but you know that where is this place. For example, I point one it and go to the zoom to layer and go. I know it's one part of Pakistan where igneous metamorphic sequence are present, so I only one click on it. So this map will be placed to this area. I click one another point. If I go to the map, so I click uh, click I know that this is the ocean, and I go to the, so my map will be placed in this area. If I click on this area, so they will be automatically adjust the by these 2 points. Click on it. If you click on this a point, in this point it will be directly placed in the exact position, although it's not an exact position. But you can place georeferencing like this, and you can also add the points by points, and adding like more than 6 points, so it will be directly place you. Whenever you go to the title layer and go to this, you can also reduce the transparency by, for example, if I remove it, so I click on this, go to the title layer and go to the transparency of this uh, base map. If I click on this, yes, and go to the raster layer transparency and remove the like this, so I will be noted where is the different rocks of with respect to the basement. So you can change your transparency from this. Okay, so this is the georeferences by which I can show a quick tutorial uh, for this, how I this do it, cutting from the image, which you can also do when you go to the this geoprocessing. Just write the clip tool, and from the clip tool you can use the image everything and clip it and georeference the image. So this is the georeferencing method. We can cover the georeferencing, we can cover the contours, we can create the polygons, we can create the points, we can create the roads or river or any other straight path. We can also know the how to dim file, we can also know the where is the base map. So now the next tutorial will be the ars this will be the next tutorial, the convert to the local scene, to this dim file, and to the 3D model, which is very important. So next video will be on behalf of this 3D modeling, which can be used this local scene in ArcGIS Pro. So have a nice